Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing well. There are 2 points I would like to talk about. First, I make a profound analysis fundamentally and technically to give you a profound and clear picture to the markets. So, I recommend you to subscribe to this great channel. Second, some friends have advised me to talk about the shorter time frames and about in order to help the day traders. I'm a position trader myself. Where my trades takes a week or so. Okay. But the beauty about it is that I'm giving you a day. I'm I'm giving you um, I'm giving the day traders the bigger view to avoid counter trend trades. So for those two reasons, I recommend you subscribe and follow the general trend. If you are a day trader or scalper, don't trade against the trend. Okay, avoid the small trades or small pullbacks, and go with the flow. All right. So for this week, this is the Euro index. It has formed inverted head and shoulders as we can see here, and it's continuing. Those are the previous 2 weeks, and for in the upcoming third week, it's going to continue. It will continue to go upwards. This is the U.S. dollar index. Okay, as I showed you before, it has made five waves bullish, five waves, which has formed elite wave trend. And here are the three falling waves of the elite wave. So five up and three down, and it's going to continue lower and lower. Okay, this is the Euro Aussie. This is the weekly chart. As you can see here, it has formed a very symmetric triangle weekly, which means that it's not going to make a hike in the upcoming week or 2 weeks. It might take a month or two to break out in one of the directions. I believe it's going to be bullish, and the euro generally is bullish. All right. Okay, here the euro Aussie in a smaller time frame. It's the euro Aussie daily. I believe since there is a demand area here, I believe it's going to retrace till the 62 and 53 to this level. I believe it's going to retrace to this level. Of course, I have mentioned this pair last week, and it went. It ended. It started lowering, but it has ended sideways. Okay, but this week is within the general theme or the general trend. I believe it's going to retrace to this point. Okay, well, to this block. This is the monthly. This is the daily. It's going to go down a little bit. Okay, this is the euro dollar daily. For me, this is the stochastic. There is a very obvious divergence here. I believe it's going to be upwards. We have seen that the euro is bullish and the dollar is bearish. If you would like something for on the long run and have a peace of mind, the euro dollar is going to be very good trade. And of course, this is not a financial advice. Make your math, make your calculation and analysis before you jump into a trade. But me personally, I'm going to be long on the euro dollar pair. All right, here the euro Swiss monthly, and the Swiss has been for a couple of years very stagnant. It's barely moving. Okay, but here I see that it's on the monthly, especially. Okay, it has formed some kind of divergence here between the stochastic and the price action. So if you would like to have some swing trading or something like that, This is going to be a very good thing, especially that the price is the lowest in history. This is a very historical low. No way for this pair but to go up. Okay, this is from my own analysis. Of course, the S&P here is still within the. It went bullish a little bit last week, but it's still sideways since November, and it's in the middle of rising bullish, rising which insinuates that it's going to retrace. So I will avoid buying in S&P. Usually, U.S. stocks I don't short sell any of them, but either I'm bullish or I'm out of the market waiting for the right chance to jump in. Nasdaq, same story. It has formed here inverted head and shoulders, which insinuates that the price is going to retrace from this point. Okay, French index of CAC around 40. I believe it has reached here a historical high. I think the markets were waiting for the this index to reach the top here and start get lowering. Here's a very strong demand area. I believe the market is going to retrace to this level again. So if you are a European markets trader, I recommend to wait if it breaks out the this level upwards and closed above it. So it will be definitely a bullish sign. If it retraced from here, consolidates and retraced, so it's going to be a very good chance to wait until it pulled back to this area and to buy again to the 7,000 area, 7,500. All right, FTSE has broken all the lifetime high by 8,700. All right, I believe the same also is going to be to retrace a little bit. That's very strong index for me. The FTSE. All right, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as I told you for many months ago, that it's moving within the this rising channel. I told you I like the all the analysts who have said that it's going to go upwards to 250 and million in 2025. I don't believe so. Okay, I believe it's very slow to go to 200 or 250. I believe it's going to work very slowly, at least until it touches the lower band of this channel. Here, the XRP is bearish for me also. Me personally, I have taken a short trade for the XRP. This is weekly chart, and yeah, as you can see here, the candle has closed below the close of this candle the previous week. So I believe it's going to we start to see a pullback. This is for the weekly. Okay, especially there are a lot of fair value gaps here. The price is forming a falling channel. All right. And by the way, for the XRP, many analysts have predicted that it's going to be bearish on the long run for the upcoming 2 or 3 years. So don't listen to these rumors on the internet where they say that it's going to go to 200 to and then 10,000 and so on. So I believe they are over optimistic about the XRP. Okay, I like this cryptocurrency myself, but I don't believe that it's going to go to the 100 level at all. At least in 2025, I believe on the short and medium term is going to retrace at least to this level to 1.5. Then from here, I will we will see what's going to happen after that. Bitcoin Cash, it has broken under the symmetric triangle. If I showed you the daily chart, you will find that it has formed a very strong resistance here, and the price is curving and start to go lower and lower. Okay, so the cryptocurrency market generally is very bearish. At least here it is the daily chart for the Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it had hit back the this trend line again, and it's getting ready to get bearish more and more. I have told you before about the Shiba Doji. If you can recall, in like 4 or 5 videos ago, I talked about this pair and said it's a great chance to make a huge amount of money here by bullishing this. I have a strong belief that it's going to go to the previous resistance level here at 3016, which is like triple the current price. So I'm waiting for the trigger. Okay, and I will jump in, and once it breaks above the this level, I'm going to be in when it's now currently like around 60. When it becomes like 62, I will jump in and go upwards to 3016. Okay, that's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because as I told you, I'm making a very profound fundamental and technical analysis about this. So you will get benefit a lot from this. Okay, I forgot to tell you that fundamentally the Euro Aussie is the best. Let me go back to the Euro Aussie. Okay, here's also the Kiwi dollar is very, as I told you, it's within a triangle, and it's for me it's very bullish. All right, for me it's very bullish, and from this level we'll see whether it's going to break it or retrace. But at least for me, between here and that bar, it's going to or trend line is going to be bullish. On the fundamental side, it's not very good, which insinuates that it's going to be choppy. It's not going to be fast. Okay, for the dollar loonie also, as I, I highlighted this pair so much last week, and I told you it's a great chance, huge chance that the dollar candy is going to be bearish. At this level is a historical level since the 90s. Okay, this resistance since the 90s. So I believe it's very guaranteed that it's going to go to this level again. Be waiting to see what's going on. But on the fundamental level, it's not very strong, which means that it's not going to be very fast forward to this level. It's going to be choppy a little bit. I suggest that this may pull back a little bit to this level, okay, and go back downwards. But if you are a long term trader, this is a great chance. The dollar can. Okay, the best fundamentally is the Euro Aussie. This is great fundamentally when which means that the technical analysis is going to work very well with it. So the Euro Aussie on the fundamental and technical level for the short term is great. Okay, and the US dollar Canadian is great for the on the long run. That's it for this week, and thank you very much.